I am on my way into the dealership. It's Saturday afternoon. I'm just shy of $1 million in sales this week, and these two 860s will put me at 1.1 for the week. Not a bad week. So, what does it look like to deliver trucks on Saturday? Let me show you. So, first things first, we gotta stop and pick up lunch for everybody, thanks to Charlie. All right, lunch was good. We'll spend a little bit of time getting these forms ready. Now we make it easy to sign. Paperwork's ready to sign. Let's go throw the tags up in the window of the trucks. Little tape goes a long way. All right. Just put the finishing touches on these. I swear this phone makes my eyes look like a different color than they are. Anyways, trucks are all tagged up and ready to roll. Now I just gotta wait for my customer to get here. We'll sign the papers and send him on his way. And in case you forgot, that's two 2023 860s heading back to Cleveland from Worldwide Equipment right here in Dayton, Ohio. Well, that's looking pretty empty. So, I think we'll turn this Hino around and park it long ways. Psych! Batteries are dead. We'll deal with that on Monday. Saturday, I'm gonna wrap this up with a little bit of family time.